Have you ever needed to set up your gateway but didn't have a LAN cable? With Wi-Fi AP mode, you can quickly connect to gateway for LoRaWAN Wi-Fi. Access the web UI. Configure Wi-Fi settings in just a few steps. Step 1. Connect to gateway Wi-Fi. First, power on your gateway. By default, it starts in AP mode. On your laptop or phone, open the Wi-Fi list and look for the SSID, gateway model XXXX. Step 2. Access the web UI. Once connected, open your browser and type 192.168.230.1. On your first login, you'll need to set a password. The password must be at least 12 characters with a number, a letter, and a special character. Step 3. Configure Wi-Fi settings. Navigate to Network, then LAN, then Wi-Fi. Here you can enable or disable AP mode. Select a channel, change the SSID, or set encryption. You can also choose to hide the SSID for extra security. Troubleshooting. Can't see the SSID? Make sure AP mode is enabled and not hidden. Connection unstable? Try moving closer or changing the channel. No internet? Check your WAN connection. In this tutorial, you learned how to connect to the gateway Wi-Fi, AP mode, access the web UI and set a secure password, adjust Wi-Fi, AP settings for your deployment, troubleshoot common issues. In the next video, we'll show you how to switch your gateway to client mode to connect to an existing Wi-Fi network. Subscribe and watch our next WizGate tutorial.